Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 99. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so that makes this our 5. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 here, so 6, 7. No help here. 5, 6, 7. 7 here, so 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. Got the 4 here, so 2, 5. No help here. 2, 4, 5. Same here. 2, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 3, 5. So that means the only place our 1 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 3, 9, 3, and 6 here, so 2, 9. 3 here, 9 here, so 2, 6. And just the 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. Got the 3 here, so 4, 6, 9. 4 here, so 3, 6, 9. 3 and 6 here, so 4, 9. And just the 3 here, so 4, 6, 9. But if we look back, then the only place our 3 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 7 covering both of these boxes. So 2, 5, 2, 5. That means that our 7 has to be here, and that 7 makes this our 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, and a 6 here. So that makes this our 7, 6. So we still need 4 and 9, and we can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. Got the 8 here. So 2, 4, 9, 8 here, 2, 4, 9. No help here. 2, 4, 8, 9. But that means the only place our 8 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 8, 9. We've got 1, 4, 8, 9. So that means this is our 5. 1 here, 4 here. So 8, 9. 1 and 8 here is 4, 9. 1 and 8 here is 4, 9. So now if we look back, the only place our 8 can be for that column is here, and the only place our 1 can be is here. That 1 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. This 5 makes this our 3. The 2 and 3 makes this our 6. 2, 5. This 2 makes this our 9. 4, 2, 5, 2. This 4 makes this our 9. 4. 2 and 4 here makes this our 9. Let's see, the 6 makes this our 5, 7. This 9 makes this our 4, 9. 4 and 9 here makes this our 6. 2 and 5 here makes this our 4. So let's do some cleanup here. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. We can get rid of this 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so this is our 3, 6. We need to do some more looking here. We've got a 3 here, that makes this our 5, 2, 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for puzzle number 100.